Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart gift card on Amazon. First, it's important to understand that Walmart gift cards are designed for use exclusively at Walmart stores, Walmart, Com, and Sam's Club locations. You cannot directly enter a Walmart gift card code into your Amazon account for purchases. However, don't worry. There are a few clever workarounds to help you convert that Walmart value into Amazon spending power. Let's explore these options together. One of the most straightforward methods is to sell or exchange your Walmart gift card. Several online platforms specialize in gift card resale, such as Card Cash or Raise. You can list your Walmart card there and receive cash, or sometimes even trade it directly for an Amazon gift card. While you might not get the full 100% of its value, typically receiving between 80 and 95%, it's an effective way to convert your card into a more versatile form of payment. Another excellent option is to directly convert your Walmart gift card into an Amazon gift card through an exchange service. Certain platforms facilitate this specific type of trade, making the process quite seamless. You simply offer your Walmart card, and in return, you receive an Amazon gift card, often delivered digitally. Remember to review the terms and conditions, as there might be a small service fee or a slight reduction in the exchanged value, but it's a very convenient solution. Finally, a simple, low-tech approach is to sell your Walmart gift card to someone you know, like a friend or family member, for cash. They might appreciate the opportunity to save a little on their Walmart purchases. Once you have the cash in hand, you can then easily purchase an Amazon gift card. You can buy Amazon gift cards at many grocery stores, pharmacies, or directly from Amazon's website, ensuring you get the full value for your Amazon spending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.